One of Tirelo's followers asks her, did you know that he had, speaking about Umpumelelo, did you know that he had another girl or you don't know? I'm just curious. And she responds by saying, I knew he had two. Serious, he had two. Guys, she says, I knew he had two serious people in his life. And since both relationships were long distance, I thought he was bored. He just needed company, and I was there for that. Wrong turn number one. Chigi Chigi caught feelings. Chigi Chigi, they find out about me. Chigi Chigi intro. A year later, we are preggies. Hey, bo, guys, isikhaxa singaka. So, kahle kahle, Utirelo is saying that when she met Umpumelelo, she knew that he had two serious women, and when she got into a situationship with him, because it seems like it was a situationship, she just thought it was fun. She was just there because she thought the guy was bored, the other two ladies were far, and it was just fun. You know what? She thought that she was just gonna, have a ride with the Lizulu. And mind you, Tirana says, guys, that she has, before Umpumelelo, she has never been in a polygamous relationship before. She's only dated one guy before Umpumelelo before. So ngiyazibuza ukuthi usithathaphi isibindi. You've dated one guy before, and the second guy you go and date is a guy who's in a polygamous relationship. You really must think you are a smart person to have like very zero, like literal to zero experience and go and date a person who's that experienced and think that you're not gonna fall. Until you go in there thinking, Utiwena, you the clever one, these other two women, they must be dumb for being, they can't, there's something there. Maybe he's good with his words. Maybe he's good with asazi. Okay? Maybe he's good ungukbecha. Maybe he's good at other things. We don't know. But anyway, oh girl, 1 year later got hooked. And yeah, that's how she found herself in the situation that she's in right now. She says that she really loves a guy, and it seems like it's a very difficult thing for her to exit. But there's also something that Tirelo said that made me also wonder. In the last episode, she said that Umpumelelo has robbed her, and she can't continue to let him rob her. Because that was when Pumelelo was saying that she should go to KZN once she's studying online. So I'm asking, but hey guys, sometimes that goes to show you don't know what people promise one another in the private places. Because for me, it sounds odd for a person to say that umuntu has robbed you, whereas when you came into the relationship initially, you were just there for vibes. You were not there for anything serious. You were just there to entertain someone else's or two other ladies' man. So for you to now cry and say, but this person robbed you, I don't know what he might have robbed you of, but like I'm saying, we don't know, but what he promised her behind closed doors. And Mpumelelo basically also says that going back to Johannesburg, when they were having a conversation, Notirelo, about her going back to Johannesburg, and Mpumelelo says going back to Johannesburg comes with its own expenses. And at that time, I'm just like, I understood it. But after Utirelo wrote on her status that her mother bought an apartment, I'm like, Mpumelelo, what expenses are you referring to, sir? Or maybe is it referring to expenses of the child? I don't know. I don't know. Because at this point, angazi guys, even if Umpumelelo batches these girls like the way we think we do, I really don't know. But what is these girls like? What's in it for them? Or maybe mabucholwa. Because guys, when people are on one another, it's nice, and maybe the guy is willing to do certain things that he's not doing in a relationship. But the moment you get into a relationship with the guy, worse off, the moment a child comes in, things just take a 180 really fast. So indaba tirelo yazi yangistressa sometimes. I'm just like, angazi. She's so young and she seems so smart, but I'm just like, I don't know. But one thing I believe in you guys, you know what? I really think she should, I don't know, get hurt enough in that relationship till she gets to a point where she feels like, you know what, I'm ready to leave. Because there's no use leaving a relationship where you feel like you still love a person and have regrets down the line. But as for me, myself, and I, guys, me, the way I'm so stubborn, you guys, I will, hey, no matter how much I love a person, if I can see a person is hey, but my future with this person is going nowhere. I will talk. Hey, I don't care about my heart and its feelings. Hey, my mind, I will tell myself, you know what? Ngiyaphuma kulo muntu and I'll find someone who will love me the way I want to be loved. I don't care about feelings. Angazi kuyabanye uthi balita ngama-feelings, bahamba ngama-feelings. Hey, guys, your feelings and your heart zongenisa inkinga and it will get you into trouble because sometimes your heart and your feelings can really be quite deceitful. So when you're grown up, you need to think with your mind. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.